You've got now the Alpine Composter. So what was your interest in being a client for the project, and what's your goal?
Well, our goal is to, produce compost for fertilizer. We do tomatoes on cages, on carts like this right here, and we want to use natural fertilizer, so they're organic. And so this right here is going to basically feed our tomato plants. We'll have 4 of them, 4 pots, 4 plants. The previous year we produced 80 pounds of tomatoes at 8,000 feet, which we were told we couldn't do. So this is going to change that. We'll also have green peppers and other stuff that we put on carts as well. So we'll feed anything that's on a cart, we'll be feeding with the compost. So we're looking forward to it.
Nice.
And even bigger, better, juicier tomatoes.
So one quick follow-up question. What would you normally do with your food waste before you had this option now to compost?
Well, we just throw it out because we didn't have a way to compost. We can't compost outside because of bears. And so even with a relatively strong compost bin or pin, wire pin, bears can still rip through that stuff pretty quickly. So banana peels, anything that's a food product is just going to attract bears. And then we've got the problem with attracting bears by the raised bins, which creates a whole other challenge because now they're inside the fenced area and tearing up the bins. So we want to keep the bears away from the bins. We don't want to have any food products outside that would attract them, or other animals, birds, that type of stuff. So the advantage of bringing this into the garage every night is the key to this.
And do you see any problem with being able to plug in the AC adapter to warm the bin at night?
We've got outlets in the garage.
All right.
We wheel everything in at night, wheel it out in the morning, and that's the same thing we'll do with the compost.
All right.
Wheel it out in the mornings, let it sit, throw our compost in there. I think just in the summertime with the sun alone in the daytime, you'll have a lot of composting that will decompose quickly. And anyway, it'll provide a rich source of fertilizer.
All right. Well, thanks again for being my client.
Thank you very much. I
All
appreciate it. This is great. I owe you some tomatoes.
All right. No worry. Thank you.